Okay, so sorry about that. Here is the main bath upstairs. It's a shorter cabinets in here, which is fine because usually those are for the children. Everything looks good in here. Okay. Under the sink, it's good. And under the sink is good. Okay. So we do have some multiple carpet stains here. But look, this is like a playroom area in here. Could be a media room. The paint is a green color. Not bad. And then you have 2 bedrooms to the right and 1 bedroom to the left. So this is a great play area for the kids. Now, this door belongs on this frame, which shouldn't be a problem. In this bedroom, there's no ceiling fan. And again, it has some carpet stains. Okay. And then we go to this bedroom. Ryan's room. Oh, sorry, there you go. Ryan, probably a little boy. Oh, missing the ceiling fixture there. A little rough on the wall. He probably kept throwing his shoes over here in the corner. Okay. But this bedroom, can't tell who that is. Sariana's rooms and Lexi's room. So they must have had 2 kids in here and the feet on the wall. So I'm not sure if that stain will come out or not. No ceiling fan in here. Standard issue closet. Okay. All right. Well, I am pretty happy with what you put in on that internet. Doesn't seem to have any major issues going on here. Oh, yeah. And so out the loft window, let's see if I can get you out there. You can see the mountains. Very nice, very cool. Again, I'm afraid of heights, so when I go like this, it makes me dizzy. All right, we'll talk to you later.